What is up, YouTube? Brandon Rogers here at Chili Dog Motorsports, and I have a quick tech tip for you today. Now, if you're like 99% of the Grom clone owners out there and you are struggling to get in and out of gear or even get the bike in neutral, you're going to want to watch this video. To make this whole project as easy as possible, you are going to want some sort of impact tool. Now, I use my cordless impact driver. I will put a link to a manual hammer style impact tool in case you don't have a cordless impact driver. And then we are going to need a P3 Phillips bit. It is important to note that these screws are a P3. If you are not aware, there are different size Phillips tips, and if you use a P2, which is the most common size, you are going to strip that bolt out and you are not going to have a good time. And then we will just need a flathead screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. We're going to go ahead and pop this side cover off here. And with a small flathead and a 10mm wrench, you can go ahead and loosen this lock nut and tighten or loosen your clutch adjustment here. Now, if your clutch is slipping, you're going to want to back this out. If you're having trouble getting in or out of gear, like your clutch is too tight, you're going to want to go in. Typically, what you want to do is gently screw it in until you just barely feel resistance and back it off just a hair. Usually, that is about perfect. And after we've made our adjustment, we can go ahead and put our cover back on. It is important to note there is a pin here that retains your clutch lever here at the motor. And without the cover, that is prone to falling out. So we want to put the cover back on before we take it for any test ride, make sure we got it good. And these don't have to be as tight as they were from the factory. And adjusting the clutch on your Grom clone is literally that easy. You may have to take it for a test ride, make some minute adjustments, but for the most part, it's so easy. And it's going to make all the difference in the world while you're riding.